First, pull the magnetic buckle outward and attaches to the frame. Second, lift the steering lever. Third, pull out the 4 support rods separately and keep their ends more than 20 centimeters away. Fourth, unfold the vehicle. Lift one end to make unfolding easier. Tighten the 4 star-shaped nuts on the support rod. Fifth, fix the seat cushion support rod. Note that the limit knob needs to lock the support rod. Do the same on the other side. If the cloth bag gets caught in the support rod clip, simply pull it out. Sixth, unfold the folding floorboard and place it in the car. Seventh, lower the pedal and gently pull the limit pin ring to adjust it. If the pedal is tight, simply wiggle it back and forth. Do the same on the other side. Eighth, install the seat cushion. Pull out the seat plate positioning pin. Align the hole to install the seat cushion. Ensure positioning pin goes through support rod. Press the mechanical brake. Open the dust cover of the rear battery interface. Open the battery output interface protective cover and stuffed into the bottom storage slot. Align battery slide groove with frame guide post. Slide down slightly after alignment. Press down firmly. A click sound indicates proper installation. Ninth, power on. Short press the power button until the ring power indicator light. Short press power button to turn on. Release the mechanical foot brake. Press down the throttle thumb dial and the vehicle will drive.